Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install card freeze and unfreeze with Amex app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the American Express app on your smartphone. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account summary page. Locate your card listed under the cards section. Tap on the card you wish to freeze or unfreeze. Scroll down to find the options for managing your card. Select the freeze card option to temporarily disable it. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Read the message carefully to understand the effects of freezing your card. Confirm your choice to freeze the card. To unfreeze your card, return to the same card management section. Select the unfreeze card option. Again, a confirmation message will appear. Review the details and confirm your action to unfreeze the card. You will see a notification indicating that your card has been successfully unfreezed. Check your account summary to ensure your card is active. You're now ready to use your card again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.